Great advice for living with acid reflux. Are you interested in waving goodbye to acid reflux? If you've been battling heartburn, then it's about time to send it packing for good. Continue watching to learn more about how to get acid reflux out of your life. Acid reflux can be caused by a number of different things, not just the types of food you are eating. Look into your lifestyle too and see if you're not pushing yourself too hard, under excessive stress, or otherwise need to take better care of yourself. Learn to relax, improve your diet, and see if that doesn't help. Enjoy your food. If you savor each bite, investigating the flavors and truly allowing yourself to taste it, you will chew more and even eat less. Your stomach will realize it's full when you eat slowly, which allows you to keep your weight in check by eating less and also keep your stomach from overfilling. Your acid reflux symptoms worsen whenever you eat a lot. Overeating and consuming your food too quickly is a common mistake that people make. This isn't the best approach for acid reflux sufferers. Instead, you should eat only until you are satisfied, not full. You should also make a conscious effort to eat more slowly. Chew carefully and set down your fork between bites. You should drink your beverages before or after your meals rather than during them. It's more likely that you are thirsty rather than hungry, and this will settle your hunger pangs. In addition, doing so will help your stomach and will keep the acid down. Avoid certain foods. Certain foods can trigger acid reflux, so it's important to avoid them. Stay away from spicy, greasy, or acidic foods, and try to avoid caffeine and alcohol. This is especially important if you are eating a late meal. Whenever possible, eat dinner at least 3 hours before bedtime. If you have been experiencing symptoms of acid reflux, try to cut down on the amount of alcohol you drink. Having some drinks tends to relax the muscles in the stomach. When this happens, people start to experience worsening of these symptoms. If you must have a drink, make sure to limit yourself to 1 or 2 drinks. This video shared some great advice about how to stop acid reflux from controlling your life. Because you now possess knowledge, you should utilize it. Keep these tips and solutions close by as you look to begin a program to finally knock out this harmful acid reflux. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.